Hello dear students, today we are going to learn present simple tense. So do you know simple present tense or present simple tense? So present simple tense is very simple. We are going to use it with the things that happen regularly, facts or things. Like habits. I wake up at 7 a.m. So what is your wake up timing? Tell me in the comment section. Like daily routine. I brush my teeth every day. So you are also brushing your teeth, right? So you brush your teeth, right? And general truth like sun rises in the east. So for these things we are using simple present tense. So today in this video we are going to know the sentence structure, how to write simple present tense. Okay? So let's start. When to use simple present tense? We use the present simple for routines, facts and general truths. Okay? Example, I read a book every night. I read a book every night. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The earth revolves around the sun. So these are the facts. So we use present simple tense. Now, how to use the structure? Positive structure. I, you, we, they plus verb. So, you are going to use the verb and object. Okay. I eat lunch. You eat lunch. We eat lunch. They eat lunch. Okay. But when we use he, she, eat, we use verb plus s or es. Okay. He eats lunch at school. She eats lunch at school. It eats lunch at school. Now, attention. The verb is used in its base form for the subjects I, you, we, they. Okay. The verb takes an s or es or ies ending for the subjects he, she or it. Examples. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I study math after school. He eats dinner. He watches TV. He studies math after school. Here eats dinner. So we add s here. He watches TV. So we add es here. He studies math after school. So we add ies here. Negative sentence structure means when you don't like the things. Okay. So with I, you, we, they, we use don't. Okay. And with he, she, it, we use doesn't. Okay. Very simple. Here only verb, so don't. Here verb with s, es or ies, so doesn't. And when you use doesn't, don't use any s, es or ies with the verb. Okay. So I don't eat. You don't eat. We don't eat. They don't eat. When it comes to he, she, it, he doesn't eat lunch. She doesn't eat lunch. It doesn't eat lunch. Okay. Now, the subjects I, you, we, they take don't before the verb. The subjects he, she, it takes doesn't before the verb. The subject is always in its base form in negative sentences. So this is you are going to remember. The subject is always in its base form. You are not going to add s, es or ies when you are using the subject he, she or it. She doesn't eat. No, he doesn't eat. Okay. Now example, I don't like broccoli. Okay. My sister doesn't like, okay, it either. Don't say my sister doesn't likes. No, My sister doesn't like it either. How to use question structure? So we can ask question also, simple present tense. So we have to ask the question by starting with do. Okay, do I eat? Question mark. Do you eat? Question mark. Do we eat? Question mark. Do they eat? But when it comes to does he eat lunch? Here also no S, ES or IES. Does he eat lunch? Does it eat lunch? Okay. Now, the subjects I, you, we, they take do before them. The subjects he, she, it takes does before them. The subject is always in its base form in questions. Okay. Do you speak German? Does she speak German? There is no change in the verb. Okay. Now, what's the time? Okay. He dash the truck every day. So, with he, what we use? Verb or verb plus s, es or ies. You ends with sh, then with he we use ses or ies. So, he washes the truck every day. Okay. Now, see, to school every day, go or goes? Yes, she goes to school every day. And I want the answer in the comment section. Now, negative form. Okay. So, rule reminder, what is that? For I, you, we, they use do not, or short form is don't. He, she, it use doesn't, and short form is like this, right? So, she likes chocolate. This is the positive structure. So, you are going to change it to negative. What you are going to write? When you change it to negative, she doesn't like or likes? Yes, like chocolate. Okay. So, I hope you understood how to write a simple present tense and how to write negative form of a simple present tense and how to say or write interrogative or question structure of a simple present tense. Right? Thank you for watching and thank you for listening the rules. Keep following Kidoctive Homeschooling and please subscribe Kidoctive Homeschooling YouTube channel.